Good afternoon, folks. I'm getting close to the end of my weekend over at the brother and sister-in-laws in the big city, and my wife comes over here and my daughter, and they go shopping, and they're always trying to get me to come, and I usually just stay at home, work in the garden, but I decided I'd come this weekend. It's supposed to be 100 degrees both days, so thought I'd take a weekend off. Might accidentally run across some .22 ammo, which I did, and I just wanted to make a comment about the big city over here, where they're trying to make what you see here into what you see here just as fast as they can. But I guess you call that progress. I'll stick to the country as long as I can. Thanks for watching. See you.